You're welcome to Skill presentation on how to make money online. My name is Dr. Onurude. We'll be going through the following outlines. I'll be introducing us to the online world, introduction to online business. Then we'll talk about the legitimate online streams. That's the 7 of them that I listed on the group page, which is affiliate marketing, digital publishing, mobile marketing, e-commerce, freelancing, blogging, and also website development. So we'll be looking at an overview, as already told us already about it. So introduction to online business. The online or internet world, it's like our everyday world, but only that interactions are limited to the online space. The online space, by fact, have a larger area of coverage when it comes to reaching and interacting with people. Many businesses, seeing what coverage this online space have utilized, many businesses seeing what coverage this online space have utilized them to get their products and services to a wider cycle of customers. On the average, we have about 14 million Nigerians using the online or internet space on a regular basis. So that's a high statistics, 14 million, meaning if your business can only reach Yenagua, if you bring it online, you have more than 14 million persons that could actually access your business. So most Nigerians shy away from anything related to online business for majorly two reasons. They don't know how to do it. There's lack of knowledge base, and they've joined wrong online platforms like several Ponzi schemes that have made them suffer some certain losses. So if they hear anything online related, they shy away from it. But we have legitimate ways to make money online, and Tava Skills is here to show to us the ways and give you a good knowledge base of those ways. So let's look at the legitimate online streams. These are 7 of them as I listed already. So let's go ahead and look at them one after the other. So let's start with affiliate marketing, how to make money online through affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing to start with? Affiliate marketing is an online business channel or stream that requires you to be a registered member of an affiliate network, which I'll explain in details. Then you have to market products or services for vendors on the affiliate network. So this affiliate network, they have persons that want to sell products through them. So you are like an affiliate of the affiliate. You are a marketer for the affiliate network. So you are helping this vendor to market his product. So you need to have a website or a social media platform if you choose to market their product, and finally get commissions when marketed products and services get patronized by online customers. I know this write-up look cumbersome.